Hey guys, welcome to Designer Sources. Today, I'll give a quick tip on how you can make heart shape in Adobe Illustrator in under 10 seconds. There are many fastest ways to create heart shape, but today I found that my technique is completely new and easy to make in Adobe Illustrator. Before jump into the video, don't forget to give a like and write down design related question in the comments section. Press P or click on Pen tool from Tools panel. Press Shift for make straight line. Press Shift plus X, or click above area for swap fill and stroke, then fill stroke. To zoom press Z, or zoom tool, or you can zoom with Alt and mouse scroll. To move your artboard, click Hand tool, or press H. Press L, or click Ellipse tool from Tools panel. Click in the line and then press Shift plus Alt to maximize ellipse from center point. Maximize ellipse as per your need. Press A, or click Direct Selection tool from Tools panel. Simply move anchor points to above direction. Delete other side part. Press A, or click Direct Selection tool from Tools panel and move path with pressing Shift and use Smart Guides. Select rest of half heart with Selection tool. Press O, or click Reflect tool from Tools panel and click on middle anchor point of heart and reflect shape with Shift plus Alt for perfect heart shape. Select both shape with Selection tool, and press Ctrl plus J to join two shape into one shape. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you found my video helpful, just give a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Till then, stay hungry, stay creative.